Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to forward a chat message to your status on WhatsApp. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, find the chat containing the message you want to forward. Simply tap on the chat to open it. Step 3. Scroll through the chat history and select the specific message you wish to forward. Long press on the message to highlight it. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll see a forward icon. Tap on it to proceed with forwarding the selected message. Step 5. Now, you'll be presented with different options. Tap on My Status and then tap the play button to share the message as your status. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a chat message to your status on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.